What's up, guys? So we have two packages here. We'll open them up, but first let me just freshen up and then we'll start with the unboxing. How's it going, everybody? Thank you for stopping by the channel. My name is Noah, and today we're gonna unbox the Air Fear of God ones in the triple black colorway. You guys ready? Let's go! So starting off with the box, we got that nice orange Air Fear of God box that comes with all the sneakers. So here we have the box tag. It says Nike Air Fear of God 1 in a size 10.5. We got that Nike swoosh on the side. And I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's this Air Fear of God branding on the box as well. Let's take a look inside. It's like opening an iPhone. Woo! So right off the bat, we got this nice Air Fear of God mesh bag. It says Air Fear of God right there, and I believe there should be a Nike branding right here. This is a nice touch, nice little freebie. And here we have, I believe, is the lace locks and the hang tag. Let's take it out. So we do have 3 pairs of lace locks. We got that same orange colored ones as the box. So we do have 3 sets of lace locks. First, we got the orange lace lock. It's the same color as the box in the packaging. And then we have 2 more pairs of black standard lace locks. Now, the orange lace locks does have that Air Fear of God branding. And then we have that really nice hang tag that it comes in. It says Air Fear of God and then the Nike swoosh at the back. Now it's time for the shoes. As you can see, the shoes are individually wrapped in this like foil material, which gives it that space-like vibe to it. And there we have it, the Nike Air Fear of God ones in the triple black colorway. Fear of God ones triple black released last April 25th for a retail price of $350. Now in the Philippines, these got pushed back. I copped these shoes in the Commonwealth release last week for a retail price of 7,495 pesos, which is a very heavy price to pay for a sneaker. But if you think about it, getting a mainline Fear of God shoes would actually cost you more than that. And they did not skip out on the packaging. As you can see, it comes with a bag, it comes with lace locks, it even comes with 2 sets of extra laces. One in an oatmeal kind of color and another in this flat white color. Opening the box actually feels like you're opening a 17,000 peso shoe. Now taking a closer look at the shoe, in the toe area we got this black fuse overlay that's actually 3M. So if you take a picture with a flash, it's gonna reflect. So going upwards to the shoe, still in the toe area, we got this nice quality tumbled nubuck material, and it's very plush to the touch. Now going to the midfoot area, we got this premium black mesh that goes all the way up to the ankles and then to the shin area. Now taking a look at the back of the shoe, we got this zipper that helps you get your foot into the shoe. And we also got this reverse tongue that kind of acts like a heel counter and a shoe horn, again to help your foot get in the shoe. Now taking a closer look at it, it actually says Air Fear of God and then it indicates the size of the shoe. Now if you didn't know, the Air Fear of God one actually has a full-length Zoom Air unit, which makes this shoe surprisingly comfortable. And on the heel, we got this double stack Air Zoom unit. Now going to the midsole of the shoe, we got that nice Air Fear of God branding, as well as the service number of Jerry Lorenzo's grandfather. If you guys still don't know who Jerry Lorenzo is, he is the creative mind behind Fear of God. Remember when everybody was wearing distressed jeans with the crazy cutouts on the knee? Yeah, he brought that trend. Now finally, in the outsole of the shoe, we got that circular traction pattern that starts at the ball of your foot. And going down to the heel of the shoe, we can actually see the Air Zoom unit with the Nike swoosh branding. Now as for the resale of the shoe, in StockX, the Nike Air Fear of God 1 triple black actually goes for $400 to $480 depending on size. Current market price here in the Philippines is around 20,000 pesos. Now, if you're looking to cop for personal, the Air Fear of God ones runs true to size. Now, I'm actually gonna sell these, so if you're a 10.5 looking for the triple blacks, hit me up. Now, the Fear of God ones is one of those polarizing shoes that you either love or you hate. I mean, personally, I love the silhouette of the shoe. Although it's not for everyday wear, I still think the design goes pretty hard. Now, I actually think the triple black Air Fear of God ones is the most wearable out of all the bunch. It's just a triple black high cut shoe, so you can just style it like you're wearing a boot or a basketball sneaker, because it is a basketball sneaker. Now the question is, are the Air Fear of God ones worth it? I'd say so, because this is actually one of the few shoes that Nike actually let the collaborator build the shoe from the ground up. Normally, when an artist or a designer would collaborate with Nike, they would just give them a silhouette to play with. But no, Jerry Lorenzo had full creative control in this shoe, so all the small details that you can see in the overall design is carefully thought out by him. Out of all the designers, creative minds, and artists that takes part in sneaker collaboration, I think my top two would be Jerry Lorenzo and Kanye West, because they are part of the few people that actually designed a shoe, not just got a silhouette and reimagined it. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. Make sure you smash that like button, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. And hit that notification bell on so you would know when I drop another video. And follow me on Instagram at NoahAsABigArg, where I post the latest sneaker news, sneaker releases, sneaker restocks. Like some of my pictures to make me feel special and to cure my And as always, I'll catch you in the next episode. Peace! Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at NoahAsABigArg and let me know what other videos you would like to see.